per hour. And Wednesday night, clear, low 65. Winds west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.
A state emergency has been declared across Florida because of Tropical Storm Debby. There has been some wind, some high surf, even some tornadoes, but it looks like the main legacy will be the flooding. I'm Jeff Morrow in Apalachicola. We'll have a report coming up.
And as Tropical Storm Debby inches closer to Florida, how much worse will conditions get for a state already struggling to keep its head above water?
Heat and wind-driven wildfires continue to consume the West. We're dealing with one of the worst fire seasons in recent memory. We'll have a live report from Colorado Springs coming as your weather today starts right now. Good Tuesday morning. It's June 26, 2012. Welcome into Your Weather Today. I'm Stephanie Abrams.
And I'm Mike Bettis, and we continue to track heavy rain brought on by Tropical Storm Debby. Apalachicola, Florida has already received a foot of rain with more on the way, not to mention, Stephanie, a tornado threat too.
Yeah, that's right. Have a look at this video here. Very dangerous to put your kid in waves like this. Look at this here. This is at Woody's waterfront in St. Pete Beach. It literally like hits me to the core to see this kid, because it could have just been sucked right in between these tables, right into the ocean there. Debris is also causing major erosion across the Gulf. We'll have that, but do not let your kid play in the waves like this. I mean, Mike, you know, rushing water like this could knock this little kid off his feet very quickly.
Yeah, you've got to be careful at all costs in situations like this. Well, let's bring you the very latest on Debby this morning. Still a tropical storm. It is east and north loaded with precipitation. Winds right now still remain at 45 miles per hour, but it is North Florida that is going to take again this morning the brunt of the action from Tropical Storm Debby. We take you this morning right on into Jacksonville and show you what's happening there, because that is one of the cities we are very concerned about this morning. Right now, that's a live look at the beach. Temperatures right now in the 70s, overcast. Heavy rain will fall for us off and on throughout the day today. Some of the rainfall totals have been impressive across the state of Florida. 10+ inches in St. Pete, Tallahassee about 6, Apalachicola 12, and in Jacksonville we picked up over 10 inches of rain since this storm began.
And we want to take you right now to Apalachicola. That's where meteorologist Jeff Morrow is live from this morning. And Jeff, the rain might have ended, but Debby's legacy is still there.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, they still have a lot of cleanup to do here, and probably some rooms to pump out as far as the water is concerned. They were doing that in some cases yesterday. Also, they have St. George Island here, which of course was hit hard for this entire storm. And it looks like it's going to be a while before they can get the power back on there. Evidently, a barge broke loose in Apalachicola Bay and hit some of the power poles that they string across the Apalachicola Bay over to St. George Island, knocked a bunch of those out. The power line went down, so they don't even know exactly when they're going to be able to get the power back there, or that folks can get back to their homes out there. Probably today, I would imagine, as things have quieted down. But you're right, Stephanie. I mean, with all that water falling, particularly over in Wakulla County, also Liberty County, parts of northern Franklin County where we are. I mean, over 20 inches, maybe approaching 2 feet of rain in just about 24 hours. That's incredible amounts of water. And with the terrain being so flat, it's going to take a long time for that, of course, to all kind of slowly go away. And in fact, Debby is very slowly going away, and we really need to get this moved out of the picture. Now, it's better here in Apalachicola, but I think it still may be a couple more days. What do you guys think until this thing finally moves off the East Coast, Mike?
Yeah, it may be some time. We may be Thursday or Friday before we're finally done with this across the state of Florida. Jeff, thank you very much. Let's run through the map and show you what's happening this morning, including severe weather outbreak here across the southwest part of the state, including around Fort Myers. So it's DeSoto, it's Lee, it's Charlotte County. Please heads up here for winds that could be gusting in excess of 60 miles per hour. Farther northbound, it is all heavy rain. The severe threat is going to be flooding for us here. You can see the rain right north of Jacksonville into Brunswick. It's been pouring on us for days now. The areas that are highlighted in bright green here, counties that have flash flood warnings, Please be very mindful of the roadways you take today. Be mindful if you have a creek or stream very close to you, how high that water level is. And if you're asked to evacuate, you need to do that and do that very quickly. In the last hour or so, some places picking up about a ½ inch of rain. Rain continues through the state of Florida today and through Georgia. Atlanta, you should be dry. Raleigh, dry. And you want to talk about heat, you've got to go to Texas for that. Temperatures today by noontime will be triple digits. Cooler weather for us across the state of Florida because of the rain. Very windy, very rainy conditions throughout the afternoon once again today. Stephanie?
Okay, it's time now for your morning rush. Let's have a look at where we are seeing issues, and boy, we are having them here throughout South Florida and into North Florida, I should say more specifically. So here's a look at Jacksonville. Look at the path that these planes are taking all the way around these storms. They are going southbound out of Jacksonville or making their way down and around. So you can see the pilots are not just taking off going straight through these storms. So they're trying to keep it as smooth as possible, and as they are taking off northbound, they're trying to fly in between those storms as well. So where are we going to see the issues as we head throughout the day today? Well, Jacksonville, obviously, we are going to have some problems here. And as we make our way southbound, we are going to see issues as well. It is going to be stormy down into places like Central Florida. Orlando, we could see some problems. And even into the Carolinas, right along the coast, we could have some problems. Tampa and Jacksonville, it looks like moderate delays for you. Mike?
The heat is going to be a big story for us. We take you into St. Louis, 64 degrees in our